Yo, Santa, get in here. You're late.
Ho, ho, ho! I'm late! Did I miss the big giveaway?
Santa, where the heck have you been?
I can't tell you where I've been. I had a little too much eggnog.
Well, we can't waste any more time. We got to get this drawing done.
NASA! The great customers of the golf cart tire supply are waiting!
Santa, do you even know what we're drawing for?
Why, of course! A brand new 65-inch 4K LED television!
And do you know why we're drawing that?
Yes! During the giveaway, every $100 on a customer's order gained them an entry to win! Let's see who it is! Order 41800. Well, I believe that's Delores from Georgia!
Well, go ahead. You're going to have to give her a call. Sit down, Santa.
Delores. Ah, looks like she was on the nice list this year. Hey Delores, this is Spencer giving you a call from the golfcarttiresupply.com. We just wanted to deliver the fantastic news that you won our 65-inch LED 4K television and the giveaway that we were having on our website. If you could give us a call back at your earliest convenience at 844-422-7884, we would love to talk to you and get that TV on its way to you. We look forward to serving you soon. Hope you have a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Talk to you soon, Delores.